The Devas and Asuras were mortal at one point. To achieve immortality and power, they needed the nectar of immortality, known as Amrita, hidden within the depths of the cosmic ocean. This task required a monumental effort, and the gods realized they couldn't do it alone. Despite their eternal rivalry, they sought the help of the demons, offering to share the nectar as a reward. To churn the ocean, the Mandara mountain was chosen as the churning rod, and the serpent Vasuki, king of snakes, became the rope. Lord Vishnu, the preserver, promised to oversee the task. The gods held Vasuki's tail while the demons held the serpent's head, and they began to churn the ocean. As the churning started, the mountain began to sink into the ocean, unable to balance. Seeing this, Lord Vishnu transformed into his Kurma avatar, a giant tortoise, and supported the mountain on his back, stabilizing it. The churning resumed, shaking the cosmos. As the churning continued, various divine treasures emerged from the ocean. The first to emerge was a deadly poison, Halahala, so potent that it threatened to destroy all creation. Terrified, the gods and demons sought help from Lord Shiva. Compassionate and selfless, Shiva drank the poison but held it in his throat, turning it blue. This act earned him the name Neelkanth, the blue-throated one. Kamadhenu, the wish-fulfilling cow, source of all desires, emerged and was taken by the sages for religious purposes. Uchasravas, the divine horse, appeared and was claimed by the demons. Airavata, the celestial elephant, later claimed by Indra, the king of gods. Kaustubha, the most radiant jewel in existence, which Lord Vishnu adorned. Parijat, the divine tree that was taken to heaven. Apsaras, celestial maidens, these divine beings became companions of the gods. Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth, the epitome of beauty and fortune, emerged from the ocean and chose Lord Vishnu as her consort. Finally, after intense churning, the pot of Amrita emerged. A fierce battle broke out between the gods and demons over its possession. To prevent the demons from gaining immortality, Vishnu assumed the form of Mohini, a mesmerizing enchantress. Mohini distracted the demons and cleverly distributed the nectar to the gods. One demon, Rahu, disguised himself as a god and managed to drink the nectar. However, before the nectar could pass down his throat, Vishnu beheaded him with his discus, Sudarshan Chakra. The demon's head, now immortal, became Rahu, causing solar and lunar eclipses as revenge against the sun and moon for revealing his deceit. With the nectar, the gods regained their strength and immortality, tipping the cosmic balance in their favor. The demons, though betrayed, accepted their fate, understanding their role in the cosmic order. The Samudra Manthan symbolizes life's eternal struggle. The ocean represents the mind. The churning represents the effort to extract wisdom and spiritual wealth. The treasures signify the fruits of perseverance and balance between good and evil.